Hey guys, it's Mandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have a huge PO box haul for you. A lot of you requested this on Instagram and YouTube, and honestly, I don't like doing these usually. I find that they are a little bit, I don't know, they come off a little bit braggy. And you know, before I was an influencer, and I've been an influencer, I'm pretty new to the game, let's just say that. I used to watch things like this and I would get so jealous. I don't want to recreate that feeling in people's minds, but at the same time, I have to say I did enjoy watching them. It would make me jealous, but I would still like watching it. So I don't know, I'm conflicted. But the main reason I want to do this video is because I give most of this stuff away to you guys. So if you want to win a lot of this stuff, make sure to go to my Instagram and follow me there, Shopper Mandy. And then as I'm posting things, make sure to like the photo and leave a comment about anything you want. Make it related to the post, and don't feel the need to go backwards and like my old photos and leave comments. You don't have to do that. Just on the new post, make sure to leave a comment and like it. And if you can turn on post notifications, that will, you know, help you not miss anything. I want you guys to be able to, you know, have fun and win some of this stuff. You will most likely win at some point because I'm going to be doing so many of these. With that said, I just wanted to say, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and join our family. I do giveaways here as well, although there's been some weird fraud going on that I'm trying to figure out. So bear with me on the YouTube stuff. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump into it. Let's go. As you guys know, most of my channel is beauty related. However, I still do some fashion posts, and there's a lot of fashion on my Instagram. I really do enjoy fashion. I love styling outfits. I love finding good deals, etc. So I do get some fashion related items, and especially earrings. You guys know I love a good pair of earrings. So the first thing I want to show you guys is from Amber Seats. They're a really gorgeous jewelry brand that does really high quality items, and I think their stuff is so gorgeous. So let's see what are in these two boxes. Let's do this. I love these ribbons. I love a good skinny ribbon. I really love wrapping presents during Christmas. So here's the box. Okay, so this comes out first, and then here it is. Ooh, and it has like a velvet interior. This is so pretty to gift to people. So this is a choker. So that's what it looks like. I'll show you guys like a close-up of what it looks like on a model. And then it has these two things in the back. A lot of times for chokers, it's really hard to adjust, and as your neck moves, it's just very uncomfortable. But these make it really easy for it to just stay on, and also to put on. You just put this on over your head and then just pull the two strings and then it stays. So see? And they also sent me a second one. Again, Amber Seats. Let's undo this. And if you guys see anything you like, let me know so I know to give that away. And then again, that really pretty velvet. And this is a second choker. These are really, really pretty and intricate. I love this. Okay, and also really quickly, I know I've showed you guys this before in my Get Ready With Me video that I love that video so much. I'll link it down below in the description box if you guys want to watch it. I used this in that video, and this is another PR package, and I mispronounced the name. I know these are called Artiste Brushes. I just had something else on my mind when I was talking about these, a recent launch by another brand. So I just wanted to show you guys again. I clearly love this one. This is one of the brushes that comes in it. And if you have blemishes or freckles on your face and you want to spot conceal with concealer, this is literally my holy grail. It's so good. And it comes with two other little brushes that are really good for detailed work. And this is called the Elite Collection Mirror Finish. Okay, so yes, for the Artiste brushes, I'd already seen that. Everything else I haven't seen. I'm really excited for Laura Mercier packages. I have two from them, and I love their PR packages. They just do such a good job, and their recent product launches have been just absolutely amazing. Okay, so out of the brown box, this is what you see. And then you have this. I don't know what's in here, you guys. What do you think it is? So I'm just taking that out. It says Laura Mercier. Is this a makeup case? I'm so excited. Ew. Oh, brushes! You're kidding me. No, you guys. They're giving Kylie Cosmetics a run for their money. I need more brushes. I love brushes. This is so amazing. There are so many. Are you joking me right now? That's 2, 3, and this has, I feel like, so much storage for your makeup. Look at this. Let's look at these brushes. Let's take a peek at this one. So this row is just face brushes. Isn't everything a face brush? But you know what I mean. Wow, this is so silky and soft. Okay, Laura Mercier, this is really nice. Look at that. And I love how sleek and clean this is. This feels so nice. Okay, up next, I have a bunch of stuff in a bag. Let me just get it out. And this was dropped off at my hotel, so it wasn't mailed to me. Here are, it's from Lancome. So you have 4 Click and Glows. And then I have a Lancome Lip Replumping Balm. And then a Lancome Advanced Skin Corrector. Ooh, this is interesting. Dry to Very Skin Moisturizer. Ooh, I need this. My skin actually is doing really well. It used to be so dry. You guys know I had eczema like on my eyelids. It was so mortifying because I have to film all the time. I actually was depressed. I could not get on camera during that period, and that's actually taken care of. Thank you God, because my esthetician is so amazing, but I will still try out that moisturizer. So let's see what these Click and Glows are. It says they're highlighting skin fluids, instant glow on the go. So this is what they look like. That's a pretty color. It's a gold, and I guess you just click. Is that why it's called Click and Glow? Let's see what this does. Okay, that's a very natural glow. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm taking too much out. It just fell on my pants. These are very, very natural. Do you guys see that? You're not getting your intense, insane glow from this, obviously. Next up, I have a bunch of stuff from Hush. This is a lot of stuff. If you guys don't know about Hush, shophush.com, I believe it is. They basically carry amazing dupes, not fakes, of a ton of really popular makeup. The quality is actually amazing. I reviewed one of them. So if you want to see that video, it was on the new Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Definitely go down below in the description box and click on that video. I'll also link it up here. But you will see it's actually really great quality stuff. And I was shocked when I first tested it out. So it's kind of insane to me how they can charge like $10 for the Huda Beauty palette dupe. It seems to me they're more of a volume business, so to make money they actually need to sell a ton instead of more luxury brands where the price point is higher, but you know, they actually do their own R&D. So if you want to visit their site, they really do have amazing stuff, which you will see now, but you can use code Mandy for 10% off. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just asked them for a code to share with you guys because I feel like a lot of you will love this. It's 10% or 20%, I'm not sure, but just use Mandy, MANDY. If you didn't know, I'm sure you knew. So I asked them to send me more of their dupes. So let's see what they have dupes to. This looks like, I don't know, what is this a dupe to? Sugar. This is their Sugar palette. Let's see if you can name the dupe. I'm not going to tell you. You try to guess it. What do you think this is a dupe for? This one's easy. Ready? This is definitely the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Okay, let's see what this one is. This says Contour. I bet I know what this one is without even looking. Do you guys know? Okay, ready? I'm giving you 2 seconds. Kat Von D Shade and Light. Exact replica. Next is the Aphrodite Palette. What do you think this is a dupe for? This one's easy. This is so easy. Okay, you guys. First Huda Beauty palette. Come on, we all knew that. Okay, there's a lot, so I don't know if we can get through the whole thing. So this is Royals. Okay, this is so easy too. Ready? Pause this video if you want to guess. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Modern Renaissance. Okay, up next is something massive, and I'm so excited for this. So, are you guys ready? This is insane. Let's do this. Look at this. It came in the most massive box ever. I think we're gonna have to take out the drawers. I was right. Okay, wow, these are pretty. So you have, what are these? Okay, so this first row, it says these are Miracle Matte Liquid Lips, and this is actually Drew Barrymore's brand. It's carried at Walgreens or Walmart, and I believe it's really, really inexpensive. So it says these are creaseless, comfortable, bold statement looks. I have to tell you, this packaging is stunning. It's so pretty with the gold accents. Do you guys see how it picks up the light? It's really, really pretty. And then up here, these are mix and matte lip duos, and it says these are creamy velvet matte lipsticks and 3D glosses. Let's actually just have a look at one of these. Let's go for the red. I've been really into reds recently. This is a very classic red. It's like a 50s red. And then here's the gloss. I actually love that they're pairing these two together because I do like throwing on gloss on top of my lipsticks throughout the day, and this isn't too glossy. So over here we have the Petal Pout lip colors, and again, these are stunning. So the packaging isn't completely round all around, which will kind of make it hard to put the lid back on. You just have to be careful with how you put it on. It says these are high impact Pigmented Perfection, and one luxurious swipe gives you full color, and there are 24 shades. And again, these look really, really nice in terms of the presentation. These are lip liners, precious definition for your fullest lip look. So let's see the color of this. Oh, this is so pretty. This reminds me of a Bite Beauty lipstick that I really, really like. Actually prettier. Oh my gosh, I have to wear this so soon. This is stunning. And these are very creamy. They're not matte in a way where it's going to be unflattering. These have the perfect sheen to kind of give you that plumping effect. So I also have another Laura Mercier package. Should we do that one? Let's just do it. We'll just go in random order. So here's the other one. Ooh, this is cute. So this is what's inside. And you have this. Let's undo it. Let's open that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, these are their new lip products. These are really pretty. I actually got to try them out at an event. Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks. It says these are matte, but I can tell you that these are not your standard matte. A lot of companies love to say something's matte when it's not the matte we know it to be on YouTube. I feel like on YouTube we have a very concrete and specific definition of what a matte is, and these are not like that. These are very flattering, pretty lipsticks that aren't gonna give you an ugly matte look, like not a drying look. These are more matte than, let's say, the Flower lipsticks. Another package that I got is from Bubble Bar. You guys know I love Bubble Bar, and they actually let us pick the styles we want, and then they ship it out to us. And of course, they finally realized that I am probably their best customer and started sending me PR. I absolutely love their earrings. Let's open this up. So here's the first thing. This is so pretty. It's a very light pink color, so it will match Aspen's hair. It will match with a lot of different outfits, and it just, you know, it's gonna add a pop where you're gonna look really nice. And then here's my second pick. I actually already bought this, but I wanted to get a backup pair just because I love them so much, and I've been traveling so much that I have been nervous that this will get lost, and then I'll be so sad if they're sold out. So I just wanted a backup pair because I feel like I'm gonna wear these for the next 10 years, not even kidding. So next up, I have a package from Clarisonic. So here it is. It has to be a Clarisonic brush, right? They haven't launched many other products. I really do hope it's the foundation brush just because that looks so cool. So let's open this up, and yay. Okay, it is. Okay, let me show you guys. It is their foundation brush. I was gonna go out and buy this. So here's their normal brush head for, you know, normal everyday use to take off your makeup and make your skin all pretty. Then here's their foundation brush head. And here is the head, which is white. I love that. I love a clean. That sounds so dirty. I was gonna say I just like the clean look of this. So up next is a package from, well, let's open it, we'll see. Origin. Okay, sometimes it doesn't say who it's from. So, okay. There you go. Okay, this smells amazing. So here is, let's see, the first thing. Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Okay, that smells amazing. There's a hint of orange in there, and it's just delicious. I'm really hungry right now, so I hope I don't eat this all up. This is the Mega Mushroom Skin Relief Soothing Treatment Lotion. Mushroom, that sounds so interesting. And then Mega Mushroom Skin Relief Cleanser. Interesting. Okay. I have been wanting to find a second cleanser that I absolutely love. Finding a good cleanser is no easy task. And then we have their Grapefruit Body Wash and Bubble Bath. Okay. And then we have the Continuous Moisture Recovery for Body. This is nice if you have dry skin all over your legs and things. My legs are always so crusty and dry. I feel like shaving just ruins your skin. And then we have an Energy Boosting Tinted Moisturizer, SPF 40. Is this one of these that changes color like the Arborian one? Is it gonna change color? I put too much on. This is a color matching tinted moisturizer. Ignore the red, that's lipstick that I had before. So the last thing is the Refreshing Eye Cream to Brighten and Depuff. I'll have to try this, although I do like my under eyes as poofy as possible. No joke. And the last thing in here, let me just open this. Okay, this smells so good too. I'm usually not into scents, but everything in this box smells just amazing to me. The next thing is from Sigma. Let's see what's in here. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. There's some holographic on there. Okay, more holographic. These are their Sigmagic Brush Shampoo, the foam version, and then the normal version, so not the foam, and it says it's 100% natural. And then this, I believe this is new. Okay, so this is one of their things that sticks on your sink. Oh, cool. So there's soap in here now. So they basically put brush cleanser on here, so then you can just stick it on your sink and you don't have anything to worry about. You can just clean it on this. And next up is something from Pixi. let's take this out. This is really pretty. Okay, so wow, Pixie, killing the PR game. And it comes with a lock. I feel like I actually have to open this. Okay, this is really, really cute. So apparently you can just put this anywhere. It doesn't have to be on this package. What's in here? Okay, rose products, right? This should have been a dead giveaway. And then matte last liquid lips. That's really cute. Let me just show you guys. I love Pixie products. I feel like it's such a good price point for the quality you get. So this first one is a rose caviar essence product, and it says it's for all skin types, hydrate, brighten, nourish, and soften. And it says it has real rose inside, like pieces of rose. And I can't take it out to show you guys. As I'm looking into it, I can see little tiny pieces of roses. And this is the Rose Slash Balm. And this is a 3-in-1 formula. It moisturizes, primes, and you can use it as a hydrating mask. And then over here it says they're matte last liquid lipsticks, full color payoff in a single stroke, hydrating, long wearing, and quick drying. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this because I don't know if matte liquid lipsticks and hydration go together for all brands. Okay, let's finish this off because this video, I don't want it to be too long. So I also have something from Sally Hansen, it seems. This is their Ready When You Are. There are a lot of things in here. This is pretty heavy. So let's open it up. And you have nail polishes. So this says these are their new longer lasting formula with 16 shades, color matched cap, offer a modern and sleek design. Let's look at the colors. I love good nail polish colors. So here's the first one. I love this color. I love the pastels, the pink. This is also really pretty. This one. Okay, Sally Hansen, you're killing it. This looks like such a gorgeous like rose metallic. You have your silver, a nude, a white, an orange with gold flakes, and another purple. Okay, so it comes with 2 purples, another darker color, another nude. I like this. And yeah, here we go. The color selection, I have to say, is really, really nice. This is perfect for spring when pastels are beloved by everyone. I'll have to try some out. If you guys want to see some in a giveaway, let me know what colors. Let me know what you want in a giveaway. It's all up to you. Let's end on that package. If you guys want a part 2, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to sign up for my newsletter because I'm thinking of doing fun things on there. I haven't yet sent out a newsletter, but when I do, it's gonna be good. So I'll leave that link down below in the description box as well. I'm talking so fast, I don't know what I'm saying. Give this video a thumbs up unless I said that already. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon for another video. And make sure you have seen my 2 latest videos because they are good ones. Okay, bye guys, love you.